Hi, welcome to my channel, and in this video you're gonna learn 35 essential phrases in Russian. A little bit about me. So I was born in Ukraine and I learned Russian when I was a baby, so I speak Russian fluently. And by the way, my name is Nadia. So let's also I'm gonna start saying the phrase in English, then I'm gonna say it in Russian, and then I'm gonna say it in Russian but like longer ways so you can really understand what I'm saying. So let's begin. The first word is yes. In Russian it's gonna be da, da, da. Second word, no, нет, 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 нет. Third word, maybe, может быть, может быть, может быть. The fourth word is you, ты, ты. For example, if you want to say you in polite way, if the person is older or it's your teacher, you should say вы, вы. Instead of t, you say v, вы. Next word is I, я, я. Next word is please. That's a difficult one. Пожалуйста, 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 пожалуйста. Next word is thank you, спасибо, спасибо, спасибо. And it followed by thank you very much. Большое спасибо, большое спасибо. It's basically like huge thank you. Next word is you're welcome, and it's gonna be не за что, не за что. That's 3 words. Next one is enjoy, and especially if you're gonna say it together with food, it's gonna sound like this: на здоровье. Basically, it means for your health. На здоровье, здоровье, на здоровье. Next one is I'm sorry. Прошу прощения. Прошу прощения. That's 2 words. Прошу прощения. Next one is excuse me. Извините. 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 Next one is I don't understand. Я не понимаю. So we learned the word no, it was нет, but when you use it with other words, like as a negative thing, you just say не. Я не понимаю. Or not good, не хорошо. And when you use it by itself, it's just нет. When you use it with something else, it's shorter не. I understand. Я понимаю. Next phrase. I don't speak Russian. Я не говорю по-русски. Я не говорю по-русски. Next one is do you speak English? Ты говоришь по-английски? And in this phrase, to make it as a question, you just need to raise intonation in the end. So if you're gonna say ты говоришь по-английски, that's basically mean that you speak English. But if you want to ask, you need to say the same thing, just in intonation in the end, like going up. Ты говоришь по-английски? The next one is could you speak more slowly? Говорите, пожалуйста, помедленней. The last word is медленней, помедленней. Basically slower. Next one, help me, please. Помогите, пожалуйста. Помогите, пожалуйста. Next one, where is the bathroom? Где туалет? Next one is hello. You can say it in two ways. One formal, one informal. Informal way is привет, привет, привет. And informal one, здравствуйте. That's a hard one. So it's gonna be like this. Здравствуйте. Здравствуйте. But if you just cannot memorize this one, it's enough just to say привет. Russians love when foreigners speak to them in Russian, so привет is gonna be enough. Next one is one ticket, please. Один билет, пожалуйста. Один билет, пожалуйста. Next one is good morning. Доброе утро. Доброе утро. Доброе утро. Another one is good afternoon. Basically, good day. Good, oh my goodness. Добрый день. Добрый день. Next phrase is good evening. It's gonna be добрый вечер. Добрый вечер. Next phrase is how are you? Как дела? Как дела? To make it like a question. So, как дела? And you can reply with I'm fine, thank you. Хорошо, спасибо. Or I'm okay, thank you. Неплохо, спасибо. If you want to ask someone's name, you should say как тебя зовут? Как тебя зовут? And reply to it, it's gonna be my name is меня зовут and you should say your name. Меня зовут Надя. And next one is it's nice to meet you. Приятно познакомиться. Приятно познакомиться. And another similar one. It's nice to see you. Рад был тебя видеть. Next one is goodbye. До свидания. До свидания. До свидания. Next one is bye-bye. Пока. 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 If you want to say good night, you should say доброй ночи. Доброй ночи. Доброй ночи. Until next time. До встречи.